Among the dead and dying trees is a beautiful family of birds known as the drummers of the forest. Woodpeckers need dead and decaying trees not only for nesting, but also for foraging. A woodpecker may peck up to 10,000 times in a single day, and although their drumming may seem futile, the holes they make become a safe home for their eggs. When they peck in a rapid pattern, this is known as drumming. The distinctive drumming of woodpeckers is different for each species and is used to mark territory and attract mates. There are more than 180 species of woodpeckers worldwide. 8 of them live in Florida, and 4 of those can be found here at Hillsboro Pineland. See if you can match the drumming sounds you hear along the trail to the woodpecker. The slow, powerful, accelerating drumming of the pileated woodpecker, the almost slow enough to count drumming of the downy woodpecker, the steady, medium-speed drumming of the red-bellied woodpecker, and the long, loud, continuous drumming of the northern flicker.